Hi and welcome to Vickyville. I wanted to share a special video with you today, and it's going to be a short cooking segment. And my daughter Juliet, she discovered this when her foods class when she was in junior high. And ever since then, she's made it for our family on a fun night. I was thinking it's summer now with your kids. You could bake this while you're watching a movie if you have a movie night, or you could even make it for breakfast with a nice cup of coffee and your husbands will adore you. And so it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and share the ingredients with you. So what we're gonna make today is called monkey bread, right Juliet?
Yes.
And do you remember making this in school?
Yeah, I do. It was a lot of fun and brings back memories.
And it's delicious too. So you're always gonna have satisfied customers when you make this, okay? And it's fairly simple. So what we're going to begin with is you need to have 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits, okay? So I just went to my local grocery store, Ralph's, and I bought refrigerated biscuits. After that, you're going to need 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon, okay? Because that's the magic in the monkey bread. Then you're gonna need 1/4 cup of sugar. And so this is my sugar bowl here. Okay, and I'll let Juliet finish the rest of the ingredients.
Then you'll need 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts. And then next you'll need 1/4 cup of margarine.
Margarine, oopsie. So here's the margarine.
And then you'll need 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And
Okay.
that should be good.
So remember, the first step that you need to do is you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, okay, which is already happening now. And thank God it's kind of like a little bit of a downcast day, because in the summer it'll probably be too warm to make this. So it's still kind of cool right now. Okay, so we'll get back to you in a little bit. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. So now we're at the second part of our monkey bread. And I I sprayed with Pam the bundt cake, okay? And then the directions say you cut up the biscuits in 4s. So these are the 2 cans of biscuits that I had, and so I've cut each biscuit into 4. Okay, and then Juliet did.
Then I added the sugar and the cinnamon in a bowl, and I mixed it together so it makes just like a little mixture of sugar.
And then she also chopped the walnuts into fine pieces, okay? So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna place the walnuts into the bundt pan, right?
Yeah, all around.
All the way around. You do the whole thing, or?
Yeah. We could add all of them. That makes sense.
Okay, then after you're done with that, what you do is you start to get each biscuit piece and you roll it in the cinnamon and sugar mixture. Now what we wanted to let you know is that the recipe calls for 1½ cans of biscuits, but we put it into a larger pan, so we use all the biscuits. So go ahead and incorporate more sugar and cinnamon to taste, because we had a little bit bigger of a bread that we were gonna make. So go ahead and do it as what you would like. That's what we did. So all you do is you take each 1/4 piece now, and you're just gonna roll each one individually into the cinnamon and sugar mixture, and it looks like that. Okay, thank you. So at this point, we've already sugared each 1/4 of the biscuit, as you could see, and we've placed it in our bundt pan. Remember, we did the spray, we did the walnuts, we quartered the biscuits, we coated them evenly with sugar and cinnamon, and now we're at the point where we melted our margarine, okay? And we're gonna add the brown sugar now. And so it calls for a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, but since, remember, we kind of modified it, so we're using a little bit more brown sugar. So it's going to be to taste. Do you need a spoon to stir it? Or a fork?
I think it'll be fine. I'll put it like. I'll just. Okay. did 2 of the 4th cup, 1/4 cup.
Okay.
And now we just have to stir it. And then
So now she's stirring the butter and the margarine, and we are gonna place it evenly over the biscuits in our bundt pan, okay? And when we're done with that, we're gonna bake at 375 degrees for about, we say 20 minutes because remember we added biscuits. So we're gonna bake it for about 20 minutes for that, okay? So we'll see you when it's done. Okay, so now we're back with our finished product, and here is our beautiful monkey bread. We actually put it for 18 minutes, and that was the perfect time since we added more biscuits. And here it is, and we're finally happy. We're done and we're complete, and we hope that you too try this monkey bread recipe and let us know how it works for you. So now we're gonna start cutting away and having a wonderful day, and we hope that you do too. Bye!
We can always be